In today's world, where climate change and environmental sustainability are at the forefront of our concerns, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint. One of the most impactful decisions you can make is upgrading your windows to energy-efficient models, such as those offered by EcoView Windows of Winter Haven. These windows not only enhance the comfort and aesthetic of your home but also provide significant environmental benefits. Here's how EcoView windows can help you live more sustainably while reducing your impact on the planet. Energy conservation. Energy consumption is a major factor contributing to environmental degradation. Traditional windows can be inefficient, allowing heat to escape during the winter and letting warm air in during the summer. This causes heating and cooling systems to work harder, which leads to higher energy usage and increased carbon emissions. EcoView Windows of Winter Haven are designed with energy efficiency in mind. They utilize advanced technologies, such as low emissivity, low E, glass and insulating frames, which significantly reduce heat transfer. This means your home stays at a comfortable temperature year-round, regardless of the outdoor weather. By reducing the need for air conditioning or heating, you can lower your energy bills and reduce your overall carbon footprint. Reduction in carbon emissions. The demand for energy often comes from power plants that burn fossil fuels, releasing harmful carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. By choosing EcoView windows, you're taking a step toward reducing your home's reliance on these energy sources. When your heating and cooling systems work more efficiently due to the superior insulation of EcoView windows, your home requires less energy. The less energy you consume, the fewer carbon emissions are produced, contributing to the fight against climate change. Making the switch to energy-efficient windows is a simple yet effective way to support a cleaner environment. Sustainability of materials. EcoView Windows of Winter Haven are made from sustainable materials, which further enhances their environmental benefits. The window frames, for example, are crafted from high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting. This means that they won't need to be replaced as frequently as traditional windows, reducing the amount of waste generated over time. Additionally, many of these materials are recyclable, ensuring that the product can be reused at the end of its life cycle. By opting for windows that are both durable and sustainable, you contribute to reducing waste and conserving natural resources. Natural light and indoor air quality. In addition to their energy-saving properties, EcoView windows can enhance your home's natural lighting. By maximizing the amount of natural light that enters your home, these windows reduce the need for artificial lighting, which consumes electricity. The increased natural light not only brightens up your living spaces but also promotes a healthier indoor environment. Exposure to natural light has been shown to improve mood, increase productivity, and regulate sleep patterns. Moreover, EcoView windows are designed with high-quality seals and weatherproofing, which helps to prevent drafts and moisture from entering your home. This enhances the indoor air quality, creating a more comfortable and healthier environment for your family. Long-term financial and environmental savings. While the initial cost of installing EcoView windows may be higher than traditional windows, the long-term savings are considerable. By significantly lowering your energy consumption, you'll notice a reduction in your monthly utility bills. Over time, the investment in energy-efficient windows pays for itself through these savings. In addition, the environmental impact is reduced over the lifespan of the windows, which can last for decades. Fewer replacements mean fewer resources are needed for manufacturing and transporting new windows, leading to a lower environmental impact. Supporting local sustainability efforts. EcoView Windows of Winter Haven isn't just a business, they're an active participant in local sustainability efforts. By choosing to install their products, you are supporting a company that is committed to environmentally friendly practices, including responsible sourcing of materials and energy-efficient manufacturing processes. Supporting such local businesses creates a ripple effect that encourages more sustainable practices in the community and beyond. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows to EcoView Windows of Winter Haven is a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their home's energy efficiency while also making a positive impact on the environment. With benefits such as reduced energy consumption, lower carbon emissions, and improved indoor air quality, these windows provide a sustainable solution that not only enhances your home but also contributes to a greener, cleaner future. By making the switch today, you are investing in both the long-term comfort of your family and the health of the planet.